Welcome to Jakey's TV. My name is Chica. Listen to the CEO of Urchnac Limited, in person of Uchenna Jason, your premier source for top quality building materials, doors, tiles, marble, and luxurious sanitary bathtubs. In this video, we'll take you on an exciting journey through our world of exquisite home improvement solutions. Stay tuned till the end to discover the epitome of elegance and functionality. Let's get started.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your domicile. My name is Urchnac Jason, CEO of Urchnac International Limited. I'm here to talk about the range of products we have. We are major importers and sales of building material products like doors, tiles, sanitary ware and accessories. We have been in the door and sanitary ware business for more than 12 or 13 years now. We have ranges of products like on the doors. We have steel doors, we have panel doors, and we have armored and laminate doors. These products are in line with our customer demand. We partner with countries like Turkey, Spain, and Israel. All this is in the process of trying to meet up with our customers' needs and expectations from us. We also have good quality tiles and marbles, which can be used in your furnishing work. We also have sanitary wares and accessories. All these are in line with our customers and our clients' specifications. We have been in the business, and the qualities we have are quality that will stand the test of times. So I'm using this medium to tell you to call on our client and prospects to visit us at number 1 Ani Plaza, Odiche Street, Kuka. And try, I will convince you. Thank you.